39 Snowdrop Crescent today. It was built in 2004. It's situated fairly close to the town and all the other amenities, all the shops and everything that it has to offer, and doctors and everything else. So a good location here. You've got wonderful views across Dartmoor as well, and easy access to the A30. It's split level in the fact that you have 2 bedrooms on the ground floor and a utility room, which then leads out into a nice enclosed rear garden. And then on the floor that you come in on from the front, you've actually got the kitchen, living room and 3rd bedroom and access to the garage. So it's really well put together property. There's also cavity wall insulation here as well, so extra warmth to keep you going as well. Why don't you have a look at the video and then book a viewing?